Dry ice is the solid state of carbon dioxide which forms at -79 degrees Celsius. The material also comes in the form of pellets. As a result, it can completely disrupt the structure of impure particles. Literally, it simply tears them apart and thus removes them from surfaces. Regardless of whether we discuss industrial machines, molds, cars or even gastronomic operations, they are all definitely linked to maintenance and cleaning. However, it is not always easy. In many premises, chemicals, sandblasting or high-pressure water cleaning are commonly used in the maintenance process. All these methods have environmental disadvantages, damage surfaces, produce secondary waste or require operational shutdowns. This is not the case for dry ice blasting technology. This type of equipment literally blasts tiny pellets of ice onto dirty surfaces. Kinetic energy gives them strength and velocity, however, low temperature assists a lot. It causes a thermal shock in the dirt. After striking the surface, the dry ice sublimes, it simply evaporates. At the end of the process, only the removed dirt remains, and no secondary waste, such as with sandblasting, is ever created. Thanks to its properties, this cleaning method based on dry ice is effective, gentle to the cleaned materials, and an environmentally friendly solution. It is also known that dry ice prevents the growth of bacteria, fungi and spores, and reduces contamination by other biological substances. It is also non-toxic, odorless and suitable for all surfaces.